Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably share something related to the date and time. If you're using Linux, especially Arch Linux, then you might find this video useful. Now, when I installed Arch Linux on this particular laptop, I think that was in November 2020, I followed a runbook. And usually when I work on anything where I have to basically repeat commands, I do have a runbook which I always follow and I try to maintain because I might have to repeat it again. Now, one important thing that you have to do in Linux is you have to configure the time, and you have to configure the time based on, of course, your location. And if you follow the Arch Linux installation guide, you will have to do it. You will have to basically configure the time. You have to basically modify a file where you have to tell your operating system your location, and then of course your time can be updated. Now, although my time was when I did the installation, my time was fine. It was perfectly set up, but I noticed that my Arch Linux time was couple of seconds, or not really couple of seconds, but in fact couple of minutes behind the actual time, and that is something that you can't really afford in 2022 because even if you are late by 2 minutes, usually we worry about time because nowadays we expect everything to start on time, or at least you want to do something by minute. You can't really, let us say you start a meeting. If you're doing a meeting, then you won't be able to join, or you are expected to join on time. And if you're always late by 2 minutes, then it is of course a problem. It doesn't really look good, and 2 minutes is a long time in 2022, especially if someone is waiting for you. And I of course don't really want it, although I never was late for a meeting, but there was a confusion when I was looking at my time here in my on my desktop, because I do have this configured here. I have a script which is updating, and right now it is showing me the perfect time, which is the correct time as per because I'm updating this every minute, and I'm fine with this 1 minute updation. But the problem was that I believe I didn't run this command timedatectl set-ntp true. So basically, if you look at this particular utility, it is basically a utility for controlling the time. And what you can do is you can actually run this command called timedatectl status, and it will tell you the actual status of your time on your computer. And if it is not really showing you the correct time, of course you have other ways to check, but if it is not showing you the correct time, all you need to do, you need to simply run this command with this set-ntp true, and then it should basically sync the time, and it will basically, okay, I have to authenticate first. Let me do the authentication, and now if you check the status again, it should hopefully fix the problem. So this is something that I noticed recently, and I thought I'll also share it with you in case you're facing the same problem, in case your system time is not really correct. So run this command and hopefully it should work. So I know, a short video, but I wanted to share this with all of you. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.